Hi guys, playing around with some odd bits of radio control gear here. Back end, gearbox, axle and wheels is off a truck that I rescued from a rubbish bin. Front end is off some other truck or other. There's no steering, although it wobbles around a little bit. It's just in a plastic tube. And I was looking at a toy in the charity shop the other day, thinking how could I put steering on it, because it was one that had got a fixed front axle. So I've come up with this idea. It's inspired by looking at some wind-up toys, clockwork wind-up toys that steer themselves in a manner similar to what I'm going to demonstrate. I'll switch it on. So what it actually does is it lifts one of the drive wheels off the ground. So the idea is it spins around, held in place, or at least dragging on the side that's sticking in the ground, and turning with the other wheel. Now this would work better if I had the tyres reversed. These tyres off the truck that I got out the rubbish bin are hard plastic, and these tyres on the front are soft rubber. That means it's gripping at the front better than it should do. So instead of spinning round, the front is still staying fairly well fixed to the ground and the back wheels are sliding. I'll have to put the camera on the tripod to demonstrate what I mean, but you'll probably see there that we just got a wheel spin if I give it a bit of power, or if I do it very slowly. But it does wheel spin. It's also one of those ESCs with a brake on it. Which is a pain in the bottom. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, it's one of those cheap ESCs with a brake. Anyway, I'll put the camera on the tripod and we'll demonstrate what I'm trying to do. Right, I've been playing with this for quite a while now, trying to get the hang of it. It's certainly not a type of driving I've been doing myself. It only works when it's got forward motion, so just turning like that doesn't do any good at all. You've got to be moving, and once it starts turning you've got to try and judge it. I suppose it's a bit like a drift car, but I've got no experience at that either. Once you start slowing down, you lose the steering. I don't know if the camera's catching this. just a bit too far. I certainly haven't got the technique. I just overdo it a bit. Yeah, well, yeah, it sort of works. So this is what we've got. We've just got a servo under there with a stick on it. I've actually got a paper clip on there with the rounded ends. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. And that's all we're doing, just lifting the wheels off the ground. Well, I spent about 20 minutes trying that before I started filming because it was hopeless to begin with. I think it would be better if we had slippery tyres on the front and grippy tyres on the back, but these are hard slippery tyres on the back and soft grippy tyres on the front, so it's, yeah, there's probably an ideal compromise. Anyway, there we go. It sort of works. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.